Welcome back. Again, I'm going to talk very loudly because of the sound in this from the fume hood in the laboratory. So when you're adding with significant figures, the one rule is they all have to have the same unit. So when you come across something that has three different units, like 0.200 kilograms, 456 milligrams, and 81 grams, you have to convert them all into the same unit. Now, for kilograms, you put your 1 next to your prefix like we talked about in the other videos, and then you put the number 10 to the 3 that would go with the kilo, and these two cancel out and you'll get grams. So your new answer for this is going to be 200 grams. Now notice when I wrote this 200 grams, I did not just write 200, I added a decimal and a 0, which your calculator will not add. You have to remember that this was 4 significant figures. So when you convert, it's always based on what you began with. You have to convert to 4 significant figures. The same goes with the milligrams. When you convert these milligrams, and 1 milligram, you put the 1 next to the prefix, 10 to the negative 3 goes with milli. So when you convert these milligrams, I'm just going to write the answer here. You also have to keep the same significant figures. And this one's more obvious because there's no zeros. But when there are zeros after a real number, after a decimal, that means 4 sig figs. So when you convert to grams, 4 sig figs. Now we have all 3 in grams. So we can go ahead and add them. And I get 281.456. But I can't leave it like that because the one with the least significant figures is the tens place for all of them. So that means I have to round this place. And looking at this number, it's going to round up.